If wobbly lines are your toughest enemies when it comes to drawing on Procreate, then I have two solutions that can help you defeat them and create beautiful smooth lines. The S method. The first method uses the Streamline function on Procreate. The effect of turning Streamline on is hard to see on camera. It is one of those features you just kind of have to feel it. This is what it looks like when Streamline is set to 0. Every pixel follows my pen, like it's supposed to. This is what it looks like when Streamline is set to max. While it is following my pen, it is also adjusting itself as it goes. It feels like there's a magnet leading the way. Streamline helps you perfect your lines. It is great for cursive hand lettering. You don't have to set it to 0 or max either. You can adjust it to get the effect that you want. How to enable Streamline. Streamline is a brush feature. First, find the brush you want to adjust its Streamline setting. Then, tap on the brush to bring up its menu. On the left, tap on Stabilization. Then from here, you see a section for Streamline. Underneath it, there's a bar below Amount, and that is where you can adjust the Streamline amount. The Q method. Method number 2 uses the Quick Shape feature on Procreate. Quick Shape is not limited to just circles, ovals, or squares. You can use it on any segment of your drawings as well. Here's how to use it. When you are drawing a line, when you reach the end point of your line, do not lift up the pen. Wait a second or two for it to do its magic. Quick Shape will snap the shape in place, which smooths out the line in process. This works well with segments, which means there is a risk if you try to use Quick Shape with a complicated shape in one go. Here, you see that the star turns out not too bad. However, look at this one. It gets completely flattened. I hope this video helps you love drawing on Procreate even more. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Bye!